The ideology, roles, and how does it work of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a global financial and donation exchange. It is a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer donation to other accounts participants. Also assigned to a system called Mabru and enjoyed by active participants and managers. There is also a reward system called Extra Mabru. On the system, participants enjoy doing tasks by online and offline tasks that accumulate earnings that start 20% up to 100% per month. MMM also is not a bank, it's not a business, it's not a company, nor an investment. MMM, it has no central account, meaning we do not transfer our money directly to MMM. Instead, we send our donations directly to our participants' account. In MMM, no promises and no guarantee. Besides the donation of our participants who join the community that needs help, there is no laws that donations is illegal. So, these are the benefits when you join MMM. Plus 30% per month of your provided help. It has also referral bonuses of 10% of the help provided by the people you invited to join you. It has a registration bonus of $20, $50, and $100. Then, in MMM Extra, you also get 20 to 100% growth rate per month, managers bonuses as well, and leadership bonus and others. How does it work? For example, when you donated an amount of 1,000 pesos, you also receive more equivalent of 1,000 pesos that you donated. 1,000 pesos growth rate of Mabro 30% per month, so it will grow continuously until you decided to get help from the community. MMM also has this new MM Extra when your Mabros grows from 20% up to 100% per month. This table shows that you donated an amount of 1,000 pesos. At the end of 12 months, you could earn 23,300. How do we send and receive donations? We use Bitcoins for receiving and sending donations. You can create your Bitcoins account at blockchains.com. What is the goal of MMM? Help all the people around the world create new for financial relationship in the community, financial literacy, stop economic slavery, and financial freedom. In MMM, we are 138 million members in 107 countries. 48 years, 4 years activity, and 14 billion people's assistance provided. So what are you waiting for? Be part of the community. Together, we can change the world.